So what you're seeing here on this module is a purple LED. This is standard for the disabled color code. That basically means that power is not going to the heater. It's on, but there's no power heating it. It's just showing temperature, showing that it's able to communicate, but there's no heat going through the system on this jacket at least. This is good thing to remember is if you have a factory setting on the module, or if it's a fresh install, you won't have them on. They will be in the disabled mode. One way to make sure that it goes into a running mode is that you can go on to the module itself and go through the menu screens to the control menu. You turn on, to get into the control menu to turn on power, you would hit the circular button and then scroll through. So right now it says not on, that's disabled. You have a few different options. You have on off, you have PID, and then you have auto tune. What we would want to do standard is PID. So you would select this with the arrow buttons, hit the circle button, and then it's good. Green light shows that power is on and it's working.